Hello my beloved students, how are you? Hope you are fine. Welcome to my class. I am Tripti Roy, Assistant Teacher, Government Girls High School, Rangpur. This class is for class 9 and 10, English second paper, tag question. Dear students, look at the sentence. He is very hungry. This is simply a sentence. But if I say, he is very hungry, isn't he? In this case, I have added isn't he so that I can get someone to agree with me when I say something. This is called tag question. So, our today's topic is tag question. First, move on to the point, what does tag question mean or what is tag question? Question tag is a short question added to the end of a statement. Example, she is very smart, isn't she? Let's move on to the rules of making tag question. Question tags are made using an auxiliary verb and pronoun. The pronoun refers to the subject. Example, Mother Teresa is respected by everybody. Here, this is simply a statement. And the tag question of this statement is, Mother Teresa is respected by everybody. Isn't she? Mother Teresa's pronoun is she. So, we have used she. And the verb is. So, we have added isn't. A positive statement is usually followed by a negative question tag. Example, Saqib is industrious. This is a positive statement. So, we have written Saqib is industrious, isn't he? Negative question tag. Notice a point. When we will make tag question, first we have to put the same statement. Then we will use comma, not full stop. If the statement is positive, we will use negative question tag. Then the pronoun and finally the note of interrogation. Notice carefully, we have to use the contract form. We can't write is not he. We have to write isn't he. If the main statement has an auxiliary verb in it, we use the same verb in the question tag question. Example, health is wealth, isn't it? You are right, aren't you? He was fond of reading, wasn't he? Rohim will do the work, won't he? He has finished the work, hasn't he? In this tag question, we have used the auxiliary verb. We have already said that we will use the auxiliary verb in the statement. But there is one exception. The question tag after I am is aren't I. Example, I am very happy, aren't I? But the question tag after I am not is am I. Example, I am not doing the work, am I? If the statement contains simple present or simple past of have, as a main verb, we usually use do, does, did in the tag question. If we say have, we use do. If we find has as main verb, we use does. And if we find had as main verb, we use did in the tag question. Example, he has a pet, doesn't he? They have a nice house, don't they? We had a mango tree, didn't we? But we may also use the same form of have in the question tag, but this is not very common. Example, he has a pet, hasn't he? They have a nice house, haven't they? We had a mango tree, hadn't we? If there is no auxiliary verb, which we find in present simple and past simple, we will use do, does, did. We love flower, don't we? She goes to school by bus, doesn't she? They played well, didn't they? In this statement, we don't find any auxiliary verb. So, we have used do, does, and did. If the statement is imperative and expresses order, command, or request, we will use will you or won't you. Example, give me a glass of water. Will you? Give me glass of water. Won't you? We may use either will you or won't you. Open the door. Will you? Go there. Won't you? After imperative won't you is used to invite people politely to do thing or to offer something. Example, please give the pen. Won't you? Imperative sentence beginning with let me, let him, let them, etc. we use will you. Example, let me go. Will you? Let them do the work. Will you? If the statement expresses proposal or suggestion, the tag question is shall we. Example, let's motivate them. Shall we? Let's make a peaceful and happy society. Shall we? If we find some of these words such as few, little, barely, hardly, scarcely, never, seldom in the statement, we will add positive tag question. Example, we hardly forget the golden past. Do we? A barking dog seldom bites. Does it? Dear students, I hope you have understood the class. So, there is an activity for you. Dear students, take your notebook and write down the statements because you have to make tag questions of these statements. Let me read. The first one is, it is an enjoyable evening. 2. We feel proud of you. 3. I must write a letter to my friend. 4. Let's talk to her. 5. You have not made an excellent result. Students, try yourself and write down the answers. Let's check the answers. The first one is, it is an enjoyable evening, isn't it? The second one is, we feel proud of you, don't we? Number 3, I must write a letter to my friend, mustn't I? 4. Let's talk to her, shall we? 5. You have not made an excellent result, have you? Okay, dear students, now here comes your homework. Make tag questions of these statements. You will in your notebook you will write down the answers as homework. Number 1. I am an SSC examinee. 2. Let's plant trees more and more. 3. The train is late. 4. Let them play. 5. Help me. Dear students, this class was the part 1 of tag question. Next class I will discuss more about it. Dear students, stay safe, stay home. And till then, thank you and goodbye.